Huh?
There's one.
I know. I'll be right back. I gotta go take a shower and comb my hair for this video. So what we're gonna do, yeah, see what, I'll probably put some liquid nails up here in here, so that this is glued back to here. See, this should be flat on here, okay? So we're gonna put something on to hold that on,
Okay.
and then we'll caulk all the way around, and all we do is set the window in, put the screws back. Yeah, wow, it's pretty good out here. Let's see if I can get this caulk off.
Here comes our cheerleader. Say hi, honey. Goodness, it's inside. On a separate note, I told them when they came that I was in shorts and a tank top and it was 80 degrees and now we're dressed like this. Oh, Texas. Okay, what do you have to say about my house? Off camera she said, I don't know about this, I think I like my house better. At least she's honest. It's just a little bit of a wreck, honey, because I had to throw everything over here so he didn't ruin my bedding.
So we're making a tent, so when we put the cover on, since it's raining, the caulk won't get wet. It'd probably be okay, but it's safer not to.
What he said. Thanks for watching another episode of Hannah and Her Habitat. The window is working because it is raining and not leaking water all over my bed. See you next week.